Hello, this is Asin Law Office. If you're scheduled for an investigation at the Seoul Gwangjin Police Station, you absolutely need to watch this video. The police investigation isn't just a place to confirm facts, it's the critical first stage where the entire direction of your case is set. The statements and evidence you provide at this point become part of the official record, and that record sets the standard for all following procedures. Criminal cases aren't all the same, even if the charges sound similar. For theft, the key issues are possession and the extent of intent. For sex crimes, the consistency of your statements and objective evidence are crucial. With insurance fraud, it all comes down to how you explain the flow of funds and any joint involvement. If you go into an investigation unprepared, your statements can be recorded in a way you never intended. It might sound absurd, but a single line can change the entire course of a case. That's why preparing before the investigation is absolutely essential. We also look at whether the case ends with the criminal proceedings or if it will lead to a civil lawsuit. Even if you reach a settlement, you need to check for potential future disputes or claims for damages. This is why, from the very first consultation, we handle both criminal and civil aspects as one continuous process. In civil cases, we think about enforcement even before the verdict. We assess the feasibility of debt collection, asset investigation, and compulsory execution to calculate the actual potential for recovery. If the potential gain doesn't justify the cost, we might even advise against filing a lawsuit. Our judgment is based on what's realistically achievable, not just the potential outcome. For real estate disputes or rental scams, we analyze the contract structure and property rights together. Using my background as a certified real estate agent, I review the contract and the property registration history at the same time. In family law cases, we focus on designing long-term structures for property division and child rearing, rather than reacting emotionally. For cases involving both immigration and criminal law, we don't separate the investigation, administrative procedures, and visa issues. We handle them as a single, integrated matter. At Asin Law Office, we don't assume every consultation will lead to hiring us. Our practical standards, developed since 2009, and our seamless record since opening in 2014, come from a commitment to explaining things clearly rather than exaggerating. We prepare every case as if it's going to court tomorrow. Ultimately, handling the police investigation stage is about designing a solid structure, not just choosing your words carefully. This is the standard by which Asin Law Office handles criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative law. If you need a consultation, please refer to the description box below this video. Please like and subscribe. It helps us provide even more detailed legal advice. Thank you.